Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming hardware and checking the current Esxi build so you know what to target. Backup host configs and critical VMs. Once done, make sure vCenter and SSH access work for recovery. Next, open Update Manager, create or attach the appropriate baseline, and import the Esxi image. This stages files and validates checksums. You do this first so the upgrade steps run predictably and you avoid mid-upgrade surprises. Once your baseline is staged, scan the host and review compliance to see required patches. Put the host into maintenance mode, migrate or shut down VMs so the system can reboot cleanly. Then remediate via Update Manager. Stage first if you have a window, and trigger the upgrade when ready. Watch the remediation tasks and Esxi logs for driver or VIB conflicts. If a third-party VIB blocks progress, note it now so you can remove or update it before reboot. After reboot, exit maintenance mode and validate the host. Confirm the Esxi build number, test VM power on, and verify networking and storage paths. Make sure Esxi and DRS rejoin and behave as expected. If something goes wrong, stop and collect logs from vCenter and the host. Then either roll back the configuration backup or use the Esxi shell to fix VIBs and boot options. This approach helps you restore services quickly and understand the root cause for a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.